Mancube is ready with our hot topic. We're going in.
Yebo, asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG na Mancube. I'm a lady aged 33 years old and need your help. I got married to my husband who was previously married. Inini, it's my first marriage. He is 42 years old and munu ane mari dzake. When I met him, it was at a conference in Victoria Falls. He saw me and introduced himself and asked for my number, and the rest is history. Ndakadanana naye, love yaitwa, my trips, designer bags, and clothes, hawaizoda ladies. So hot topic yangu is when we got married, I realized that my husband can leave the house in a suit and come back in a tracksuit. He has a big office kubasa with a bathroom and mini closet. Takanetsana nenyaya yekugezera kubasa when he is coming home after work. Anyway, I told him kuti uyai munongo gezera kumba. Baba vakaomesa musoro. So when our maid does laundry, unotoona vaakuloda kasuitcase kavo kuisa hembe dzakachena dzekubasa. In my head, I consoled myself, thinking maybe ndiyo lifestyle yembinga, and I wasn't exposed to these offices with shower rooms and closets. So nekufamba kwenguva, I then realized he was bringing women to his office, using it as a meeting place with his girlfriend since ari munhu anozikanwa. Saka a few months back, ndakatanga kuvaviwa on my private area, accompanied by a terrible odor. At first, I thought it was my cycle, iri kukonzera, but it made no sense, cause I was a few weeks pregnant. The itch got worse, and I went to the doctor, and vakabata an STI, which threatened the dear life of my unborn child. They asked me to bring my husband. When I told him about the STI, akanditi, ingamawan. I was furious. I asked him why he was sleeping around and he denied it. I asked tiende kwa chiremba to be treated tese. He said, I don't have any problem. After he left for work, I went through his suitcase raanombo and searched it thoroughly. Nikaona ma pills. He was already on treatment for the STI, imagine. In the bag, there was protection and pre-exposure pills, wipes and other stuff. I went on treatment, but the doctor told me my child is at serious risk. I was praying for my healing and my child. But unfortunately, I miscarried. And the pain that I felt, I can't explain it. When he came to the hospital, I refused to see him. Straight after I got discharged, I went to my mother's house. I was still on treatment and I told her everything. And she cried and shared a story about how my late father cheated and brought another woman into her home. She told me she prayed for her marriage and Baba later repented. She reminded me that I was not getting any younger, that I needed to have kids. I just listened in disbelief. I didn't have the strength to speak out or challenge her. So I decided to move out kumba kwa mama and went to my flat that I bought ndichiri kushanda. My husband keeps asking me to come home ndichiramba. A few days ago, he sent a delivery with a big bouquet of roses and keys to a new house with a card written, "Come back home, my wife." Accepting the house means going back to being cheated on and more STIs. After losing my child and getting infected, my mind is telling me I deserve that house. However, I resent him. Zvekuda kutoshwira kuti dai angotsikwa nemota achifamba. My heart no longer feels anything. It's cold and I don't know what to do. My friend says, a house for an STI is a good transaction. Ameno, guys. What should I do? Please, isayonya yango parade your KVG. Iyo I hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Oh, Mancube, thank you so much for our hot topic for today. Okay, you can connect with us. Ndimidari redu tukuyifambira tese nasi nehama dzedu dzeko Hamilton Insurance, reliable insurers. Ndikuona message ari kupinda akawandisa. Ndishakumbira ma voice notes ange ari under 60 seconds on our WhatsApp platform. Just under 60 seconds for you to make your point so that tikwane tese. Tikwane tese, but tinozama. Let's get to find out who's connecting with us on line 1 Star FM. Hello.
Hello, unjani Saki.
Sikhona linjani?
Siyaphila. Yeah, I hear the story, but there are a lot of inconsistencies within the story. So to help someone like that, because initially she said she was on a cycle, but now she comes on to say she's pregnant. She was pregnant again.
I think you didn't hear clearly.
Just to take you back a bit.
She thought she was on her menses when she started getting the itch and the odor, and then she says, I thought it was, but she says it couldn't have been because I was pregnant.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe I didn't get that properly.
Yeah.
But now also a house for an STI, guys. Thanks, that's my contribution.
Mavamatiza.
Ungabaleki phela.
Ayindlu for STI.
Sitsheleni ukuthi licabangani ngakho.
Well, it depends on what the STI is carrying again. You know, there's HIV and that's when I cannot comment. Like,
Right. Awuyalile bhuti wami siyabonga kakhulu.
Thanks.
All right.
Thank you so much. 0772162651. You're connecting with us. Vaperirwa. I cannot comment. Yeah, Star FM. Hello.
Hi,
Good, dear. Thank you so much for calling. Please go ahead.
I think it's wise. I appreciate the son working more than these material things. In the impact that Anna Dara. Saka Gambo compete the EFS, umbe the selfish name, no change it the E. That's what I think.
Thank you so much for that. So, what does it mean for? Remember, she's still a married woman, as much as she's staying kumba kwake ku flat kwake, but mukadzi wemunhu. So, what are we also saying there? Tati imba ngasa tora, Anze, please come back home. Matimba ngasa tora. But what does it mean now? Iye armu institution your marriage.
Okay, kana actually kudamhumi wake. Ngaite heart to heart talk naye umuda uti. Pepe ndakati wambie kwa Dr. Ukaramba. Let's go kwa Dr. Tunochekwa chese